my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Well, I'm like, woo, woo. I'm like Arsenio Hall up in here. What? How old are you? Do not answer that. No. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. And I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We are multicultural. We are inclusive. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you're one of my little doll babies. So hi, doll baby. How are you? So glad that you are here. Today we're doing another collab because I told you we're just going to collab.
Okay.
Okay. And I am doing a collab with Miss Nichole Renee, and I'll put some deets up on her channel. She's really grown her channel. She's been grinding. She's been really putting a lot of time and effort into her channel. She is a white Caucasian wig reviewer, and I really love that because I like that diversity here on YouTube, and it is necessary. I found her because she was one of my subscribers. I've been watching her videos. We've been chatting back and forth. I was doing, you know, the year of collabs, and I thought it would be great to collab with her. She has great energy, and her videos are very detailed, so please go check her out. Say, hey girl, hey, Tia Maria sent me. Okie doke. So we decided to do a collab on just a flashback FREETRESS equal. Okay, because I love FREETRESS equal, she loves FREETRESS equal, we like the older units as well. So today I am doing this one, and I don't have the stock card. I mean, listen, I am very organized when it comes to my wig stuff because I have ADHD, so if I'm not, I'm in trouble. And I had this already, stock card ready. I think it either slipped somewhere or Kit Kat took it. I don't know, but this is Flirty Deep. I did a video on I did FREETRESS equals Flirty Deep and Flirty, and so it was like a 2-for-1 video, and that was a really long time ago. So I really loved the wig then, so I wanted to get her, and I got her in another color. I do have this part, so I have her in color OM 273613, so 273613. I scooped her up from Sam's Club for $25.99. This is an older unit. So the coloring on this is going to be that, you know, older coloring. I actually like this type of coloring, but I know some people do not. My other Flirty Deep was just all brown. She's really pretty. So I will link that video down below. I really love the curls. She reminds me a lot of Model's JC, and since I'm positive they're the same company now, I think they were sort of sister wigs. So if I remember, I'll also link JC down below because I am obsessed with JC. She is giving me about 20 inches. I am 5'6.5". I'm only getting tangling in this sort of 613 part. If you don't necessarily like it this stacked, you could just trim it so you'd only have a tiny bit of the 613. Like, that would be very cute. I wouldn't mind cutting that. If you would like to see me do a video on cutting that a little bit short, do I have time to do it now? I think if you just cut this to here and the 613 isn't hanging out so much, you know what, let's just do it. Let's just do this. My boyfriend can wait, because I really think that, well, let's look at her from the back. I'm all over the place. And the 613 is shedding a little bit as well. Yeah. She's got a nice movement. I do love this stacked color. You know, I hate like a deep side part. I don't mind it so long as I, like, you know, spray her back a little bit. I did create some of this jaggedy little baby hairs. I don't know if my camera was on or not. Like, people kept calling me, so I filmed on my phone, and people kept calling me so it'll shut off, and I thought I turned it back on, but I wasn't sure. It was like a hot mess. So other than the snagging and the shedding from the 613 part, she's doing very good. Like I said, I've already had this wig once before, and I really enjoyed her. So let's just cut her quick. Let's just cut her real quick. I like it to this thing, so I'm just going to cut off just some of the little excess, and I'm just going to do, like, pull down on it and do sort of a downward angled cut. I cut about that much off. Oh yeah, that is so, oh gonna hurt myself much better. So let me do this part. All right, let's see what we got going on. Oh yeah, I like that so much better. Let's look at her. Oh, for sure, people. Yeah, now I am loving her. I have to add a little intro with her cut. So yeah, I'm back in business with her. So like I said, this is an older unit from FREETRESS Equal. It is my absolute favorite. This is just a lot of hairspray I put in there. It's my absolute favorite company. It's a yaki texture, which I really love. I still think it's multicultural, especially because of the color mixes. I just think, yeah, now that 613 doesn't look as harsh because it's going to like meld in a little bit more. So yeah, what do you think? Do you like her? And she could be cut up even more. She could be cut up even to there. And that would remind me of Passion Meadow. So if you liked Passion Meadow, which is discontinued, you could get her and cut her to that same sort of length. It's not as tight of a curl, but it's pretty close. So that is what I have for you for Miss Flirty Deep. Okay, let me know what you think of her down below in the comments. If you have this wig, let me know what your thoughts are. If there is another FREETRESS Equal wig you would like me to review, go ahead and check my playlist down below first, because I've reviewed a lot of them because it's my favorite company. And please go check out Nichole and tell her I said hey. She's doing a completely different wig, so that's exciting. So I'm gonna head over there because I want to see what her wig is. I think she might be doing Misty. And I actually haven't reviewed that one. Go figure. Thank you so much for being here. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you have subscribed, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Let's go.